To learn about CHILI GraFx and its applications, such as onboarding members of your team or accessing feature tutorials, head over to our YouTube channel. Scroll down to Product Training, where you'll find both courses and feature tutorials. You can also Google different features for easy access. If you would like to get certified, head over to the CHILI Publish Academy. Create an account, verify your email, then click Course Catalog on the left-hand side. Take certifications and get started. Our online certifications are user-friendly. There are multiple choice questions, and you can access all resources while taking the test, such as your CHILI GraFx environment, YouTube tutorials, and our documentation portal. You can retake the test as many times as you'd like, and upon successful completion, you'll be able to download your certificate and share it on LinkedIn.